हेलो ऑल। टुडेज टॉपिक सेल्फ लव। सेल्फ लव क्या होता है? सिंपल शब्दों में बोलूँ तो होता है ये खुद से मोहब्बत करना। खुद से मोहब्बत क्यों करनी चाहिए? वाई वी शुड लव आवर सेल्फ? अ वेरी सिंपल रीज़न इज़, अगर आप खुद से मोहब्बत करेंगे तो आप दुनिया से कभी उस चीज़ की एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं करेंगे। हाँ, बात आती है बहुत से लोग कुछ चीज़ों के अंदर प्रॉब्लम्स और डिफरेंस क्रिएट नहीं कर पाते हैं। देर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन थ्री वर्ड्स। सेल्फ लव इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम बीइंग सेल्फ सेंटर्ड, being selfish, being self obsessed. Remember, today we are talking about self love only. When you start loving yourself, the first thing which you start seeing in your life is a beautiful relationship around you. Reason, because if you don't love yourself, you start expecting others to love you, and that is a root cause of every relationship. The moment you start expecting and you don't get it, the results comes out is a spoiled relationship. I am not talking about just a simple relationship of being of relationship in opposite sex. Currently we are talking about a relationship with your siblings, parents, your relatives, your societies. Everywhere every relationship start taking a shaking moment when you start expecting and you don't get it. It is simply like a vacuum which you have in your stomach or in your body, and you want others to fulfill that vacuum. Let me relate this with a very beautiful example how the process starts. See, imagine if you have filled yourself, okay, with lot of love within you. Do you think that you will have a single 0.1% also a space that other would come and fill this self-love? The relation starts from here. Imagine you are very hungry. What will happen? You would want food. You get a lot of food in front of you. You start eating. You eat, you keep eating till the time you find yourself completely filled. Now, say suppose immediately someone brings the most delicious food or dish which you like the most. What will happen? You start getting that craving. I am not refusing that you will not crave for it, but question is, will you be able to consume it? Maybe a little, because that's your favorite dish. Assuming it is not just little in front of you, it's a good quantity in front of you, and condition apply that tomorrow or even after some time you'll find this a stale dish. Now what you will do? Will you resist and still store it? You know it will no more be a proper dish tomorrow. What you will do? Can you consume it? No, you can't. You already filled. What you'll do? You start sharing with people around you. That is what happened with loving yourself. If you already filled your stomach with lots of love, your body with lots of love, you will not gonna expect others to come and give you that love back. Remember, I never use that word that you're not supposed to love others. My only concern is first love yourself from within and then start loving others. You have lots of love within you. What do? Don't let it go waste. Here, go and share that love. Same what you did with your food. You did not let it go. Happily you start sharing with the people. And here, listen very carefully. Will you expect opposite person to feed you back at that moment? No. Why? Because you're already fed. Or would you expect, hey, मैंने तेरे को आज भूखा नहीं रखा ना, मैंने तेरे को खिलाया, चल तू मुझे भी खिला. No, you will never gonna do that. Reason being, because you are already filled with it. Same I want you to do with your love, a self-love. You will find a relationship building. And not just this, the moment when you start loving yourself, you find yourself a confident person. Now question comes, what is that which can help you love yourself? There's a beautiful technique which I can relate with NLP, how it goes. Stand in front of mirror. Okay, it's called affirmation. Stand in front of mirror and start saying these three beautiful words to you. Say with conviction, I love you. And remember, it has to be you in the mirror, huh? No other person. I'm sure initially you will resist saying these three words because you haven't said it for yourself ever. Now, start the process. It will take time, but I'm sure you will able to feel a proper satisfaction and conviction while saying these three words. Now, while saying these three words, I want you to relate and start a process of thinking in your mind that what is that which will make you love yourself more and more. One simple thing: sit quietly and introspect from inside. What is that which you have best in you? It can be a simplest thing, maybe empathizing with others. You always say that I understand you, isn't it? So it's simple that you empathize people very well. Another example, say for example, if you're a good cook, that means you can assume yourself an Annapurna because you can make people fill their stomach very well. You may have several different qualities, but think about it, a simple that quality which you have the most in you. Think that while you say these three words, it will help you start building your confidence, and so with confidence the three words will start coming, an affirmation in front of mirror, and start seeing a result. I am sure and waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much, guys. Friends, if you like our video, then click like button and also subscribe our channel for the new updates for our upcoming videos. We need your love, we need your blessings so that we can work for better and better. Thank you so much for watching our video, and any information and any updates, you can be in touch with us for all the offline, online programs, products, our workshop. We are working for you all. Keep hopes alive.